y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Nate Nelson Photography and I went over there, spent a day, shot the Ed Roth display, and shot a bunch of cool stuff in the museum. It is a really cool place. Go visit it. If you've never been there, you got to go see it. If you're a car person at all, you'll enjoy the heck out of it. So anyways, we had a great day. We're on our way out. The test track is this back road, you know, it's not right there at the museum. You got to drive maybe a half a mile to the test track, the racetrack. And so on the way out, I said, Nate, let's roll by there and just see what's going on. So as we pulled in, there was like 5 or 6 C8 Corvettes sitting over in a parking lot. And I remarked to Nate, I said, that'd be a cool picture. Why don't you get some stills of that? And then I looked down past the garage area and I could see another row of C8 Corvettes. And I was like, I'm gonna walk down here and see what's going on with these cars. So as I got closer, I could tell it wasn't one row of C8 Corvettes. It was several rows of C8 Corvettes. And then as I got closer, I could tell they still had some shipping stuff on them. So I'm guessing they're staged there to be delivered maybe at the museum or waiting for trucks for transport to get them out of there. But anyways, as you will be able to tell from the video, I was pretty excited about what I'd stumbled upon. Let me get the camera turned around and check it out.
Holy smokes, will you look at that? Nate and I came over to the racetrack to try to take some pictures, and like I thought this was just part of I just thought it was part of the people that were here, you know, because there's other C8 Corvettes and Camaros and everything out here, so I just thought it was part of that. And the closer we got, I could see some shipping stuff on them, and I was like, Nate, I think those are all brand new Corvettes waiting to be shipped or whatever. And sure enough, that's exactly what we've stumbled on. Every color, all different kinds of options. I'm down. Different wheels on them. Stripes, have some stripes that change colors. Oh, I'm crazy. Now Nate Nelson's here with some stills, so check him out. Nate Nelson Photography. Because he's going to have some cool stills, or he better have some cool stills. I didn't bring him all the way over here to disappoint you all, but I had to walk 3/4 of a mile back to the car to get the video camera because I wasn't expecting to find this. How cool is that? And as a car guy, you don't have to be a Corvette lover to you know, appreciate where I'm standing. You know, if these were Mustang, you know, Shelby Mustangs, I'd be just as impressed by that. Ferraris, whatever, but it just happens to be Corvettes because the Corvette Museum was nice enough to let ScottieDTV come in and shoot some videos. We did the Ed Roth exhibit. Look at this thing. This is kind of different. I'm not doing any features. I'm not getting off on that. But look at that. Greenish yellow and red. Oh my goodness. I really like that. I'm a blue guy, but I like both those blue. I like that petty blue color. I like that color too. How about that? Oh, look at this one. I haven't seen that color on the street on a Corvette. I think that's like that, what, envy green that came on the Camaro maybe, but might be different. Looks a little more yellow maybe. Down with the black. That's that gray color. It's not white, it's gray actually. Man, that's just amazing to me. All these Corvettes just sitting out here in a parking lot. Here's the stripes that change color. I don't know if the camera will allow it to do it, but and I can't see well enough to know whether that's change colors or not, but I could see well enough to see whatever that is. 150, 200 Corvettes sitting out here in a parking lot. C8s. Man, there's a lot of excited people in that group, I would think. Anyways, from the National Corvette Museum racetrack, nothing but Corvettes. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.